Good afternoon everyone, I'm Budol B. Alcala. I'm going to present you is all about macro in Microsoft Word.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmate. My topic is all about adding document. My name is Nabil Mahmoud.
Good day. I'm Angelica Bernardo, and this is how to secure your document using Microsoft Word.
Hi everyone, I am Rosemary Rauto. I want to present to you is how to using custom graphic elements, and there are create text boxes and photos. Second, word art and other text effects, and last, draw shapes.
Good day everyone, my name is Jericho Parada. This video is all about creating forms and adding content controls in the forms. Let's go!
In Microsoft Word, I'm going to show you how to use macro in Words. Now, for those of you who don't know what macros are, it's basically a way of shortcutting a number of different processes that you will do frequently throughout your document. So, for example, a macro can be used as something as simple as aligning your text. So, for example, if you was to highlight the text, so go up to bold, that means itself a macro. It's telling a word to do something very quickly and efficiently. But the idea of macros is actually to join a series of those sort of action together and assign it to shortcut key. So let me show you and become clear. So in order to do it, you have to record it. You have to record your action. So you go up to tools, go down up to macro and click record. Then go to the keyboard in the center and then assign your shortcut. This can be shortcut key that's already assigned to you actually don't use. You can find new shortcut key. I'm going to use command or control and is already assigned but never this particular shortcut. So I just going to assign this one. Then I'm going to click now once I okay and see that my cursor has got a little scroll next to it. And it means going to record any action that current do I from here. All and still start recording. So I'm going to do is highlight a word professionally. Then I put it to outside borders. They change the color. Then I'm going to italic it. The process may be take it little time. Go to the tools, macros, stop recording. Then you go to back to default and you change the sentence but it's okay. Then go to document and change it, control and command and yan, then headings and where you are need yan, then yan, then it's okay, you already do what you to do. And if you want to stop the macros wrong record, just to go to macros again, macros, then click that and click the negative sign and yes, delete it. If you have then, and thank you, that's all.
Today I'm going to teach you how to insert Sparkline step by step. Again, you can insert sparklines to worksheet to illustrate changes to data values within a column or a row of a continuous worksheet cells. A sparkline is a basically mini chart that appears within a single selected worksheet cell and displays selected cell's value as trend lines. First selected cell within a show, the sparkline opens is a cell at the end of column or a row data values, but beyond visually illustrate themselves. Split the chart type sparkline to insert the cell by clicking it a line, column or win/loss button within the sparklines button group in the insert tab ribbon. In the Create Sparklines dialog box that then appears, click into the data range, but then click and drag open worksheet cell whose value you wish to show in the sparklines. The cell you select which contain the values to show in the sparkline must be adjacent to each other in order you want them to show within sparklines. After selecting the cell, note the location range will display reference to initially selected. In a worksheet, please cell that will contain sparkline. You can change the value if needed after making selection. Click the OK button in the dialog box to insert the sparkline the selected type into your worksheet. Another way to create sparkline in a worksheet is to first select the content that values you want within sparklines. Then click either the line, column, or win-loss button. Within the sparkline button, look in the Insert tab of ribbon within Create Sparklet dialog box. Click into the location in each field, then select the cell range within the worksheet where you want the sparklet of initially selected data to appear. Then click the OK button to insert multiple sparklines called a sparkline group for the selected data. To choose an location to delete sparklines, select sparklines to click, then click the Design tab within the Sparklines Tools Contextual tab ribbon. Then click the drop-down arrow to the right of the clear button with the group button group from the drop-down menu that appears. Select either the clear select Sparklines command to delete the selected Sparkline or choose the Sparklines group command to delete the selected Sparkline group. Note that right-clicking the clear button instead will only delete the selected Sparkline, not an entire group. Thank you for the watching. Stay in my report. Thank you.
My topic is all about adding document. My name is Nabil Mahmoud. So before I start to my topic, I would like to inform you, if you have a question, I will entertain after my presentation. Thank you. Introduction. Microsoft Word is a revolution technology that gives a newfound knowledge. So, ang sinasabi dito, ang Microsoft Word daw ay isang revolusyon ng teknolohiya na nagbibigay ng bagong kaalaman sa atin. Adding documents. First step. First, open the Word document. You can open Word documents from the Start menu of your computer. Click on File, Open. If you want to start a new document, click on New in the File menu. Then step 2, click the place within the document where you want the file to be inserted. Then step 3, click on Insert tab located at the top. Then step 4, click on the top object drop down. Then step 5, choose the file to insert, click object from the file, and then select file to insert. Then step 6, finally click insert. With this, the file will be inserted into your Word document. So I will show you how to add document in Microsoft Word. So let's proceed. So first, select new or open. So I recommend open. And then select insert tab into top in this. Then select object in the right side. Then create from file. Then browse your documents. So I select my document. then insert. Don't forget to check this link to the file, and don't forget to check this display as icon, then click OK. So as you can see, my document is here. So before I end this, I would like to share a Bible verse. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Proverbs 3 verse number 5. So ang sabi dito, magtiwala ka lang daw sa Panginoon kahit na anong mangyari. So ayun lang. Thank you. Good day everyone. My name is Nabil Mahmoud. My topic in Microsoft Excel is how to add an document. So let's proceed. First step. Select the cell into which you want to insert your file. Second step. Click on the Insert tab. Third step. Click on Object under the text group. Fourth step. Select Create from File. Fifth step. Browse your file. And sixth step. Select the Display as icon. Check box to if you want to insert an icon linking to the files. Then the last step. Click on OK. Now, I will show you how to add an document in Microsoft Excel. So let's proceed. As you can see here, new or open, but I select open and select my document. Then select insert. Then select text. Then select object. Then select create from file. Then browse your file. So I browse my file in Microsoft here. Then don't forget to check this display as icon. Then select OK. As you can see, my document is here. Now, let's have another example. Then select insert, select text, select object, select create from file, then browse your documents. So, my documents in Excel, insert. Then don't forget to link to the file or display as icon. Then, OK. So as you can see, my Excel is here. Open it. Okay. Before I end this presentation, I shared an Bible verse. Walk by faith, not by sight. So sinasabi dito, maglakad ka sa pananampalataya, huwag sa paningin.
Good day. I'm Angelica Bernardo, and this is how to secure your document using Microsoft Word. There are 4 different types to secure your document. First is read-only mode. Second is password encryption. Third is restrict content editing. And last is mark as final. So, let's start. First is read-only mode. You can ensure no one can else edit your document by making it read-only. After you save it, click Tools beside General option and click Read-only recommended, then click OK. Open your file, and as you can see, your file is now in read-only mode. To remove the read-only mode, just click edit above and do the same thing. Just unremark the read-only mode recommended and save it. You can encrypt your password by going to File, Info, Protect Document, and choosing Encrypt with Password. You can create your password for a document. Go to File, click the Encrypt with Password, enter the password you want, and save it. Open your file. Now, you can enter the password you created. To remove the password, just go to File, Protect Document, Encrypt Password, and delete the password. Then save it. Next is the Restrict Editing. Go to File, Info, Protect Document, and click the Restrict Editing. Under the restriction, click Allow only this type of editing in documents. Go to File, Protect Document, and Restrict Editing. Then click Track Changes. Then click Start Enforcing Protection. Then you can put a password if you want. It's up to you if you want to create a password or not. As you can see, you can add or delete the letters in the document. And to stop the protection, just click the Stop Protection to remove the track changes. Last is Mark as Final. Instead of using digital signatures, you can still mark your document as final. Word will inform you that the document is now final and will be saved. Go to File, Info, Protect Document, and click Mark as Final. This document will be marked as final. Then save it. As you can see, the Word will inform you that the document is final. You can edit the document, just click Edit above, and you can change or edit the document. Then, don't forget to save it. The ultimate goal of this option is not to prevent anyone from editing. It is to tell the readers that the document is now final version. And that's all. Good day. I'm Angelica Bernardo, and this is how to secure your worksheet in Excel. So, there are 3 different types to secure your worksheet. First is file level, second is worksheet level, and last is workbook level. So, let's start. Security refers to securing Excel file by making use of password. Go to File, Info, Protect Worksheet, and click Encrypt with Password. Enter the password you want and re-enter it again to make sure your password is correct. Open your file. As you can see, you need to enter your password. To remove the password, just delete the password you entered. And don't forget to save it. Worksheet level protects the data present in the cells from being copied or modified. Highlights the data you want to protect. And click the arrow in protection. Unmark lock and click OK. Now go to review and click protect sheet. Put the password you want and re-enter it again to secure your password. To unprotect the sheet, click this and enter the password you create. And that's all. Workbook. Security will help you prevent other users from adding, deleting, hiding, or renaming your sheet. Next is workbook. How to protect your workbook. I add another sheet and select protect workbook. You can enter the password you want and re-enter it again. After that, the sheet is unable to insert, delete, rename, move or copy, tab color, hide or unhide. And if you want to enable it again, just select protect workbook and re-enter your password again. And now you can insert, delete, rename because it's now able again. And that's how to protect Excel file. Thank you.
First step, text boxes. First, go to Insert. You will find the text boxes. So just click here, the text box. Then go to Plain Document and click the simple box and you will see it. Second step, full quotes and sidebar. Go to Insert and just find the shapes. Then click the rectangle and look at the size, width and height. Then click here. Just type any quotes you want. Third step, go to Insert, click the pictures, and you will see it on window, and you find the pictures you want. The drawing. When the drawing is not next to Insert, so you need click File, then click Option, and Customize Ribbon. Draw Table, then click the box Draw, then OK. You find Draw, just click Draw, that's it. Fifth step, creating text box. Go to Insert, you find shapes, then click here and go to blank drag, then you see it. That's it.
To create the forms, start with a blank template.
First step,
Go to File
text
section
boxes.
and press
First,
New.
go to Insert. You will find the
In
text
Search
box.
Online Templates,
So just click
type
here
forms
the
or the
text
type of
box.
form that you want
Then
and press
go to
Enter.
Plain Document and click the
choose a
small
form template,
box
and then select create,
and you will
and
see
it automatically
next step,
downloads.
full codes and sidebar. Go
I
to
choose
insert
one of
and
the
expand the shapes.
resume
Click down there
templates,
and look at the side.
and then I select create,
Click here.
and it
Just
automatically
type any codes
downloads.
you want.
And that's
Third
it.
step,
If you want to start with a blank document, just go to file again and press new, then select blank document.
the drawing.
If you want to
When the drawing
add
is
content to the
complete,
forms,
insert,
go to developer
file,
and then choose the controls that you want to add to the document or forms.
draw table.
To remove a content
box
control,
row, then
select the control and press delete. If you want to use legacy form controls,
draw, that's it.
click or tap where you want to insert a legacy control. Go to developer and select legacy forms drop down.
Creating text box.
Select the legacy form control or ActiveX control that you want to include.
And go to blank.
Note that legacy form controls are for compatibility with older versions of Word and consist of legacy form and ActiveX controls. To set or change properties for content controls, each content control has properties that you can set or change. For example, the date picker controls offers options for the format you want to use to display the date. Select the content control that you want to change. Go to developer, then select properties, then change the properties that you want. And that is how to creating forms and adding content controls. Thank you. Hello, good day everyone. My name is Jericho Prada. This video is all about flash fills in Excel. Let's go! Excel Flash Fill is a special tool that analyzes the information you are entering and automatically fills data when it identifies a pattern. The Flash Fill feature was introduced in Excel 2013 and is available in all later versions of Excel 2016, 2019, and Excel for Office 365. When using Flash Fills, first, you need to enter the full name in cell C2 and press enter. Next is start typing the next full name in cell C3. Excel will sense the pattern you provide and show you a preview of the rest of the column filled in with your combined text. And last is to accept the preview, press enter. If Flash Fill doesn't generate the preview, it might not be turned on. You can go to Data, Flash Fill, to run it manually or press Ctrl+E. And that is how to use Flash Fill in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.